Good morning guys, today we've got here VIVO V70 FE and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So first of all, open some area where you've got access to your keyboard. So this is the panel that we have to open. Now mark settings, go to languages and pick add keyboard. Now you can either scroll till you find the preferred one or in search area enter the preferred language. Tap on done. Now you can remove unnecessary language, go back, and that's it. So let me apply maybe this more classic layout, because here now you can see the letters but not on keyboard. I'll go to the very bottom. And here we'll be able to find it, or some other one. Okay, so let me even pick this one. And now, as you can see here, you can change the layout of your keyboard. I'll go with the classic one, with switching off the same that we had in Chinese. Now let me remove this Chinese language and you will be able to see the difference clearly. As you can see, this is how the change is applied. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.